हम सब डेंटिस्ट को डेंटल कॉलेज में बताया ही नहीं जाता है। एज डॉक्टर मालिन ऑल्सो सेड, उनको एकेडमिकली के थ्रू पता लगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलियन का डेंटल काउंसिल का कोई एग्जाम भी होता है।
Initially, I tried and gave at least 4 to 5 hours a day.
एग्जाम क्या होता है, कितने घंटे का होता है और कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं।
यू रिमेम्बर डॉक्टर मालिन, आई यूज्ड टू टेल यू दैट टीजी 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 एंड यूज्ड टू से कि नहीं मैंने इतनी बार पढ़ लिया।
बहुत सारे बच्चों को होते हैं बहुत टफ एग्जाम है, नियरली इम्पॉसिबल टू पास द एग्जाम। बट आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन लगे, क्या क्या लगा आप?
After giving all the 4 papers, the exam was very easy. It was all basic.
जो बाकी बच्चे हमने देखे, there are many students जिनका बेसिक ही बहुत, because of the level of education they have taken. So hello everyone and welcome to a very nice day, because it's a dream come true and it's a very important day for all the academically aspirants, for all the dentists, because the ADC results are out, the Australian Dental Council results are out. I am Dr. Sonal, your program manager. We have Dr. Akram with us and
हेलो।
we have Dr. Malin who has cleared the exam. सो सर, बहुत सारी मिक्स्ड फीलिंग्स है एज प्रोग्राम मैनेजर, मेरे लिए भी बहुत खुशी की बात है। और भी
यस।
रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं और भी बच्चों के कॉन्फर्मेशन आते जा रहे हैं। वी हैव डॉक्टर मार्लिन विद अस जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम मुंबई। सो सर, इफ यू वांट जस्ट यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द कॉन्वर्सेशन।
यस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन डॉक्टर मालिन टू यू, बिकॉज बहुत सारे कमेंट्स ही आते हैं कि सर एडीसी बहुत टफ एग्जाम है, बच्चे पास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, राइट। एंड सम लोग बोलते हैं कि सर डेंटिस्ट्री के लिए जॉब्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है नहीं। तो आई रिसीव लॉट ऑफ बेसिकली टैक्स ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स। तो डॉक्टर मालिन, इफ यू कैन जस्ट गिव अस योर ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन कि आप कहाँ से हैं एंड सो फार योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस।
Yeah, sure, sir. So, myself, Dr. Marilyn Borges, I am residing in Mumbai, Thane, which is in Bhinder, and I have been practicing for the past 8 to 9 years. Dentistry have been like a very up and down journey, but it, as far as like whatever it is, it has been good. And I have been practicing in my own clinic for the past 3 years, which has been good. ADC, I came across ADC through academically, definitely through Instagram while I was just scrolling on one random day, and I had talked with one of the fellow consultants with academically, which guided me through it, told me about the whole process, and he has like dentistry in India is very difficult for the dentist, which like I have been known and I can understand what we all dentists are going through. So it was my decision of taking this first step, and it has always been my dream after me passing dentistry in India. Like I also wanted to move abroad, but because of
Yes.
certain circumstances,
So, but I personally feel that a
I
lot of
never got a
dentists,
chance.
they
So I definitely very thankful.
yeah, I just that a lot of dentists को प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि they do not know कि ऑप्शंस क्या हैं। they only know in India
हम्म।
they want to भाई बीडीएस कर लिया तो भाई जस्ट
Hmm.
प्रैक्टिस करना है। जिसने एमडीएस कर लिया वो चले जाता है एकेडमिक्स में, और किसी को पता ही नहीं कि
हम्म।
तीसरा जॉब भी कोई
Hmm.
इंडिया में होता है या नहीं है, या अब्रॉड भी देख के देख। तो डॉक्टर सोनलाल से डेंटिस्ट, सोनल आप बताओ थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस क्या है,
यस सर।
बच्चों को अवेयरनेस नहीं है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है डेंटिस्ट को, मतलब इंडिया में इतना लो सैलरीज मिल रहा है, सैलरीज भी नहीं है।
हम्म।
एंड जो रेस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए वो भी रेस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलता है इंडिया के अंदर एज ए डेंटिस्ट। तो
यस
अवेयरनेस
सर।
का प्रॉब्लम है या
यस
कुछ
सर।
और लगता है आप लोग को? आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम लगता है आपको?
सर बेसिकली मुझे जो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन अ प्रोग्राम मैनेजर, डॉक्टर मार्लिन हैज बीन विद अस, सो शी आल्सो नोज आई हैव बीन इंटरेक्टिंग विद सो मेनी डेंटिस्ट। तो सबसे मेन प्रॉब्लम सर अवेयरनेस है। हम सब डेंटिस्ट को डेंटल कॉलेज में बताया ही नहीं जाता है। एज डॉक्टर मार्लिन ऑल्सो सेड, उनको एकेडमिकली के थ्रू पता लगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलियन का डेंटल काउंसिल का कोई एग्जाम भी होता है, दैट
ये
टू थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम, थ्रू
ये
सोशल मीडिया। बिकॉज अवेयरनेस सर है ही नहीं। हमारे सीनियर्स हमें यही बताते हैं, नीट पीजी, नीट पीजी इज द ओनली वन ऑप्शन। एंड उसके बाद सर यू वोंट बिलीव, मतलब आफ्टर पीजी ऑल्सो, पीजी इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। नीट पीजी
ये
क्लियर करना फॉर अ जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन इंडिया। प्राइवेट इज वेरी कॉस्टली सर, वहां पे हम पढ़ ही नहीं सकते। 50-60 लाख मिडिल क्लास फैमिली कैन नॉट
नहीं,
अफोर्ड।
पचास
और अगर
लाख
आपने
जिसने
50-60 लाख
अगर
लगा भी दिए।
जिसने एमडीएस भी कर लिया
हाँ।
ना, स्टिल दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग बिकॉज कॉलेज में फिर उनको
यस।
मिलते हैं 30,000 रुपए। आई मीन एज ए
यस।
वर्किंग एज ए असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डेंटल, प्राइवेट डेंटल कॉलेज, आल्सो सैलरी
हम्म।
वेरी वेरी लो। जिसने अगर एमडीएस भी कर लिया उसके बाद भी कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी इतनी ज़्यादा है नहीं।
यस सर, नहीं है। एंड इसमें ये चीज है कि एज प्रोफेसर भी आप काम कर रहे हो, और अगर आपकी क्लास नहीं लगती है तो आप एज डेंटिस्ट भी काम कर रहे हो वहाँ पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। यू आर नॉट गेटिंग पेड फॉर द कंसल्टेशंस एंड वर्क देयर। तो ये एक्सप्लॉयटेशन चल रहा है फॉर
डॉक्टर
ऑल ऑफ
मल्लिक,
अस।
इफ यू कैन जस्ट गिव अस मोर अबाउट दिस एग्जाम। का एग्जाम क्या होता है, कितने घंटे का होता है, और कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कहाँ से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछता है एडीसी एग्जाम में?
So the ADC exam, like we basically have four clusters, and all the four clusters, the questions are mixed. They will basically pick up what question belongs to what cluster. So it is mandatory that you have to give your 100% in all the particular subject. So each cluster has 180 questions, and you get hours to solve it. And 2 hours just run like very fast. When you are solving the mocks in the like the practice wise, you'll feel okay, you have a lot of time, but actually what I experienced personally is 2 hours were very less for,
Hmm.
because you have to read all the concepts, understand the concepts, and the basic trick like what I applied for my this thing, like definitely my clinical experience of all these years helped me, because there was a lot of questions which like came out of the box. It were
Hmm.
basics, like all the questions were basics, like which we should know and every dentist should know, but the only thing we were not exposed to that. But the clinical experience of mine helped me to eliminate and come to the right answer. And like focus wise, if I would say like what I personally experienced in this exam was TG, because I can
Hmm.
still mark the lines and tell you ki which line was exactly picked up from the TG and put it in the question and what were the options. And ICG as well as ODEL. ODEL,
Yes.
we did not focus much, but I don't know why. I read that 75 cases of that huge Odell book like for nearly 2 to 3 times, which literally came me handy, and I'm really thankful that I read it.
Yes, and that is why you remember Dr. Marlin, I used to tell you that TG, 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 and you used to say कि नहीं मैंने इतनी बार पढ़ लिया. And sir, I will tell you one thing. What personally I feel, Dr. Marlin was one of the most sincere students. She used to attend all the live classes in spite of the busy schedule. Whenever I've told her कि ये पढ़ना है वो पढ़ना है, she has done it. Even in our grand test, she had scored grade A. So it was a very, very, yeah, she had scored really well. And in the
तो
detailed
आप
report
बोल
also, it
रहे हो
was
कि
a
बहुत सारे
very
बच्चे बहुत ही
good.
कैजुअल होते हैं, मतलब पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, जो एडीसी में आते हैं डेंटिस्ट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ADC में sir dedication चाहिए. I will just ask Dr. Malin. Dr. Malin, how many hours you used to put every day for ADC preparation?
Initially, like because I since I have my clinic and I have to look after everything, like initially I tried and gave at least 4 to 5 hours a day. But as the
Hmm.
exam came close, like maybe if the exam was in March, so from December onwards, like I made sure I gave at least more than 8 to 10 hours a day. Like sometimes it used to be 12, 14, depending. Like I had to keep my clinic aside, but I know right now this day, like it has been the happiest day today since morning, that everything has, paid me off. Like even me sacrificing the clinic for a while, but it everything has paid off today.
Right.
तो
Sir, also one thing I would like to add. So, there were some, if Dr. Malin, you could, because it's a inspiration for many people. Dr. Malin had joined us way before, but due to some personal problems, she took, like, she contacted me that, ma'am, I'm not able to prepare for ADC because this is the thing. So I told her, we took special permission. I told her, you have course, pause, access, essay, and then again she got the access. Again, she picked up herself. So, Dr. Malin, do you have anything to say about that time when you'd given me a call and then how it went?
Yes, I remember it was in the month of April, and like I was supposed to actually appear in September, which was last year,
Hmm.
2025. But then because of certain like personal reasons, I couldn't, and I had to take a halt for a few months. But then I made sure that because I kept my focus that I want to clear this exam in the first go, and we all know that this exam is expensive, and putting up
Hmm.
money again and again is not easy for everybody. So, like, though it was a halt, but then I made sure, like, what my goal was. And once again, like, after taking a 3, 4 months break, like, I started my preparation back in September. And then the next 6 months, I made sure that I focused completely.
डॉक्टर मलिन, एज पर यू, दिस एग्जाम इज वेरी टफ. मॉडरेट एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आते हैं या इजी एग्जाम आता है, मतलब कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन हैं? थोड़ा सा आप बता पाए. बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं बहुत टफ एग्जाम है, नियरली इम्पॉसिबल टू पास द एग्जाम. बट आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन लगे, क्या क्या लगा आपको, आपके एक्सपीरियंस की बेस पे?
But the way वो frame करते हैं questions is a little tricky. Like, उनको question को समझ पाना, like, that is a little difficult. But actual what I understood after the exam, like coming, like the second day, like after giving all the four papers, the exam was very easy. it was all basic. Basic is like the way we learn in the nursery ABCD. It was kind of that,
Hmm.
but you should know the sequence of it. Which like we tried, and like what people do, they try and focus more on the complicated part and they forget the basic part, which somewhere even I did a mistake. But after giving the exam, like after coming right from the exam hall, I understood everything was about the basic. Like ADC is actually testing you what kind of a clinician you are. Like they don't
Hmm.
want to know your, the this thing. They just want to know your basic knowledge. Like as a general dentist, how can you, handle the situation which is given to you in a clinic. So it is like competitive exam is there because there are a lot of people appearing for it. There is a very high percentile rate. But if your basics are cleared, and I'm sure you can clear this exam in the first go.
Sir, usually क्या होता है? I'll tell you about one thing. So Dr. Malin has done her BDS from a very reputed college, but not everybody. And she has, I've seen her mark sheet also. She has really scored well in her graduation also. So her basic was very good. But the usually what happens, जो बाकी बच्चे हमने देखे, there are many students जिनका basic ही बहुत, because of the level of education they have taken. तो
हम्म।
वो बहुत बड़ा difference I think डॉक्टर मार्लिन एंड अकरम सर रहता है इन क्लियरिंग द एडीसी एग्जामिनेशन. उनको बेसिक ही नहीं पता सर. मतलब मैं डेली बात कर रही हूँ. देयर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु डोंट इवन नो सिंपल बेसिक्स व्हिच मे बी यू आर नोइंग, नॉट बीइंग अ डेंटिस्ट ऑल्सो. सो ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है सर. एंड स्पेशली पीपल फ्रॉम प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, दे जस्ट गिव मनी एंड दे पास.
ये
सो
बहुत
इट्स वेरी
है।
इजी फॉर देम. या.
या
सो दैट
तो
क्रिएट्स अ डिफरेंस सर.
guys, if you are done your BDS or MDS, want to work in Australia, we can help you. Or if you want to work in Gulf countries, so we provide assistance for Gulf and Australia. And if you want to exploring non-clinical options in India, so we also can help you. There's so many options like MSL, medical affairs, drug safety physician, or pharmacovigilance and clinical trial physician, or I can say a medical reviewer. There's so many jobs are available in India as well. So if you are dentist, current test today, so we can help you. Thank you so much, Dr. Marlene. I wish
Yes
you all
sir.
the very best.